Importance of investing in alternative fuels. Investing in alternative fuels is important for several reasons. 1. Environmental benefits. Alternative fuels, such as solar, wind, and biofuels produce fewer emissions and pollutants, and help to reduce the carbon footprint of transportation and energy production. 2. Energy security. Alternative fuels provide a domestic source of energy, reducing dependence on foreign oil and improving energy security. 3. Economic benefits. Investing in alternative fuels can stimulate innovation and create new industries and jobs, contributing to economic growth. 4. Climate change. Alternative fuels play a critical role in mitigating climate change and reducing the impacts of global warming. 5. Long-term sustainability. Fossil fuels are finite resources, and investing in alternative fuels helps to ensure long-term sustainability and energy security. Overall, investing in alternative fuels is critical for reducing greenhouse gas emissions, improving energy security, promoting economic growth, and ensuring long-term sustainability. It's your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go!
Great job! Please comment, subscribe to our channel.